Please tell us about yourself.
My name is Caleb Nikhil Kumar Komu. I'm 23 years old from Hyderabad city, India, and I'm the oldest son in my family. And at the moment, I'm doing my Masters of Engineering in Mechanical Stream at University of Wollongong, and I've done my Bachelor's of Engineering in Tikala Krishna Reddy College of Engineering, and I've done it in Mechanical Stream as well. Where in my bachelor's I have dealt with two projects. One was the advanced project and the other one was mini project. In the mini project, we dealt with wind turbines. We went to an organization called BHEL, which is a government-funded organization, where we learned about the mechanisms and the processes that are dealt in wind turbines. We had to examine and bring out results from it. And based on our mini project, we did an advanced project. Our advanced project was titled as Sabinus Wind Turbine, and it was basically like generating electricity using wind power, for which we had to develop a wind turbine. And the reason we chose renewable energy is because renewable energy is the next big thing. It's gonna replace all the fuels and all the electric stuff. It's gonna replace many of them. So for developing our wind turbines, we had to face a lot of challenges, and we overcame all of them. And during my bachelor's, I've even done a couple of internships. We have done internships at manufacturing plants, and such as steel manufacturing plants and glass industries. And I've even done a couple of computer-aided designing courses such as AutoCAD and CATIA, and even analysis courses such as ANSYS. And that's about it.
Can you describe a time where you had to work in a diverse team? What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them?
Yes. Yeah, challenges, of course. I have done a subject called as innovation design in my master's degree in my first semester, where we were a team of 5 people. Five of them were from different branches. I was from mechanical, the other guys were from civil, from electrical and mining. We had no relationship with our with our academic structure, but yet we could manage. Our team was could manage on deciding on one topic, which was chosen as a project. I had to fix that topic and make sure that we go through that topic and make all the material and content regarding it. As I said, one of the major constraint or one of the major issue was the communication issue, as the other guys were from different countries and I'm from a different country, and we all ended up in a different country studying engineering. The communication was a major problem, where because our slang is quite different to theirs, which was the problem. But even though as time went by, we could understand each other, we could manage each other, and we could help each other out. If anyone is not able to do their work, we could go and fill their place and get their work done. But end of the day, managing the work and submitting the work was a priority. And at the end, when we pitched our idea to the judges, they were really impressed and they were happy about it, and the results went good.
Good. Can you please describe a time when you have used your technical competence to solve a problem which resulted in a positive or a productive outcome?
Coming back to my bachelor's, as I've mentioned earlier, we did a project on wind turbine. We chose a Sabinus wind turbine as a project. We had to cross-refer many resources to fix on one project. We were a team of 5, and I was the guy in charge in selecting the team project. And as I mentioned earlier, we chose renewable energy because it's the next big thing. And the designing was the major technical thing, but one of the major issue that we had, because we had to come up with a couple of designs for the turbine, and for which we used AutoCAD. I used AutoCAD and SolidWorks for the process, and then I had to again put that into ANSYS, which is a cross referring software, and the major things that we did were like cross refer our things. Then we had to solve the problems, and then we had to go and technically go with our managers and all that stuff, and cross refer our work. But in the end of the period, when we presented our project to our principal and dean and the judges, they were quite impressed, and it was selected as one of the best projects for that semester. And even as the principal kept our project as a souvenir in his office, which we were quite happy about.
Do you have any questions for us?
If I get selected, I hope like you guys gonna inform me what my role is gonna be about, and hopefully I get selected. And you have given the criteria about the roles, but I just wanted to know what exactly is gonna be my position and when I'm gonna start the job.
Thank you.
Thank you.